Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites and immediately check Include Paths. Open the project, then go to Project Properties and inspect C/C++ General Additional Include Directories to ensure the MSVC Include folder is present. Also make sure the Windows SDK and the correct platform toolset are selected so the compiler knows where Stdio.h lives. Once done, save and reload the project so property changes take effect. This prevents path mismatches that cause the header not found error. Next, adjust the toolset and environment to resolve deeper issues. In Project Properties, change Platform Toolset to the installed MSVC version. Mismatch here often hides Stdio.h. Set the Windows SDK version explicitly so headers resolve predictably. Then open the developer command prompt for Visual Studio and run cl/edummy. See to check the include environment variable. If include lacks the MSVC include path, fix it in the Visual Studio installer or by regenerating project settings. Finally, perform a clean and rebuild to let Visual Studio apply corrected paths and pick up Stdio.h. If you use custom build steps or CMake, add the MSVC include directory explicitly or regenerate tooling files to ensure consistent paths. Make sure project platform, x86 versus x64 matches installed toolset libraries. Troubleshooting tip: if headers still fail, repair or reinstall the C++ workload and Windows SDK via the Visual Studio installer. Corrupted or missing components are a common root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.